Organization is one of my favorite hobbies, and when I find a new opportunity to organize, I take it. I got a water catcher for a kitchen sink. It collects the water, keeps things from getting wet underneath. Next, for the stove, I got a cover that is heat resistant. I mainly got it to keep the stove from getting scratched and to keep it clean. And then once we use the stove, we can move it off and put hot pans on it so it won't ruin the quartz counter. The final item I got was an under the sink organizer. Unfortunately, this thing came with so much plastic. I wish it didn't because it's very wasteful. And then I took everything out from under the sink. It was really simple to put together. No screws or anything like that. You'll notice I switched things around quite a few times because I realized, oh, I actually like it better this way. To me it looks a little messy still, but I did the best I could. Thanks for watching.